In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure an available time can only be booked once in a day in Calendly. This is perfect if you want to protect your time, avoid burnout, or make sure that once someone grabs a time on a given day, the rest of that day stays closed for that event. We'll walk through the exact settings to make Calendly allow just one booking per day for a specific event. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace and that you have permission to edit the event you're working on. It's always a good idea to confirm you're on the official Calendly site and keep your login details secure. Next, go to the scheduling page. This is where you manage the availability and settings for your event types. You should see a list of your events here. Choose the specific event you want to limit. Keep in mind, this change applies per event, so if you have multiple event types, you'll adjust each one individually as needed. Open your event to access its settings. At the top or near the event details, click on More Options. This opens additional controls that aren't visible in the basic view, giving you finer control over how bookings are handled. From there, go to the Limits and Buffers section. This area is designed to help you control booking frequency and protect your schedule. Limits determine how many times an event can be booked in a day, while buffers help you create space around meetings. For our purpose, we'll focus on the limit. Click on Set Limits. A panel or pop-up will appear with options that relate to how often your event can be booked. You're looking for the daily limit. This is what tells Calendly to stop accepting more bookings after your chosen number has been reached for that day. Set it to one meeting per day. With this setting, once someone books that event on a particular day, every remaining time slot for that event on that same day will automatically show as unavailable. This applies to that event type only, so other event types will still follow their own settings. Finally, click on Save Changes. This step locks in your new limit, so Calendly enforces it moving forward. After saving, any invitee who views your scheduling page for that event will only be able to claim one spot per day, and once it's taken, the rest of that day's times will be closed for that event. That's all you need to ensure an available time can only be booked once in a day in Calendly. Set it once, save, and your schedule will stay protected.